Hello students, now I am again on the screen. Myself Chetan Shukla. Today I am explaining the topic isomers. Before explaining this topic, I would like to say please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for the further notifications. So now I proceed. First, my dear students, the topic is isomers. What is the meaning of isomers? Isomers means the organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structures are known as isomers. Means the organic compounds which are having same molecular formula but different in structures are called isomers. Means molecular formula compounds is same but the arrangement of the atoms is different. So if the molecular formula of the compound is same but different in structures are called isomers. For example, normal butane. Molecular formula of normal butane is C4H10, C4S10. How many carbons? 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. And hydrogen atom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means it is the structure of normal butane. Normal means all the carbon present in straight chain, means in straight chain form. This is the called normal, and the structure is normal butane. But means 4 carbon atoms. Ane means all the carbon atoms are attached with single bonds. We know the valency of carbon is 4. You see all the carbon atoms satisfy 4 valency. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Means all the carbon atoms satisfy the valencies of carbon. And hydrogen atoms also satisfied 1 valencies along with carbon. So this is the structure of normal butane. We know the definition of isomers. If the compound having same molecular formula but different in structure. You see the different structure of normal butane. In this case, butane molecular formula is C4S10. Here you see how many carbon? 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons. And how many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same molecular formula, but the arrangement of the atoms are not in straight line form. In case of normal butane, are carbon atom present in straight line, but in this case you see branched chain. This 3 carbon atoms present in straight chain, but 1 carbon atoms present in branched form. In this form, or the structure CH3CH, branched CH3CH3, not present in straight chain form. In this case, all carbon atoms present in straight chain form, but here carbon atoms present in branched form. You see CH3 ka whole twice CH. So this is called isomeric form of normal butane. Means molecular formula same but different in structure. So it is the isomer of butane. Clear? So what is the definition of isomers? The organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different in structures are called isomers. Other example, you see normal pentane. Normal pentane means pent means 5 carbon atoms. You see how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many hydrogen atoms? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it is the structure of normal pentane. So isomeric form means same molecular formula but different in structure. Here you see molecular formula isopentane, isomer form of pentane, same but branched. 1 carbon atom present in branched form. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In all carbon atoms, valency satisfied 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the isomeric form of normal pentane. So it is very clear if the compound having same molecular formula, here also the molecular formula same C5H12 but different in structures, are called isomers. One more isomeric structure of normal pentane, if the two carbon present in branch form 1 2 3 4 5, two carbon atoms present in branch form and 3 is in straight form, so this type of structure is called neo form, CH3 का whole thrice CH. So neopentane. Isopentane means CH3 का whole twice CH. Isopentane CH3 का whole thrice C. Neopentane. So all two also the isomeric form of normal pentane. Means in other two structures are different, but the molecular formula is same. Here also C5H12. So it is the clear explanation of isomers, means the organic compounds having same molecular formula but different in structures are called isomers. Thank you, students.